Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the control assembly in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. It should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Torx 20 and a small flathead screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new control assembly. The control assembly is mounted on top of the dishwasher door. By pressing the corresponding buttons, it allows the user to program the correct cycle. The main reason for the control assembly to be replaced is if one or more buttons quit working, making it impossible to properly use the dishwasher. We can begin by taking the 3 Torx 20 screws out at the bottom here. And that's going to free the door handle from the panel. I'm going to use the Torx 20 screwdriver and remove that screws. All right, now I can open the door and take out the screws that holds the inner door to the outer door panel. We're going to take out the 4 screws on the top. This is a Torx 20 screwdriver. And remove it one by one. And now we're going to move to the side and take out this screws. These side screws are a little bit shorter than the screws from the top. And I'm going to close the door and I'm going to slide down the outer panel with the touchpad here. So I'm going to pull up and remove this touchpad with the control board and just let it hang down slowly. Make sure you don't break anything, any like harness. All right, we're gonna disconnect several plugs that holds that panel. So this is the tap. I'm gonna bend it open, pull out the plug, and we go to this yellow and red. I'm gonna employ a flathead screwdriver and remove it. And now we're going to free this harness from the clips here. And then again, flathead screwdriver, we're going to press the locking tabs here and push this connector up. And we're going to remove the plug. Just let it hang. And we're going to work on this part. Okay, let's put the control panel here on the workable surface, and then I'm going to use the small flathead screwdriver. I'm going to push in that locking tab on the side of the handle cap, and I'm going to pull it out. And then the second tab here, push it in, and push out and remove the handle cap. Place your fingers underneath of the control assembly on one side, then turn the assembly over here, and using the small flathead screwdriver, we're going to lift up these tabs, black tabs, and simultaneously pull on the control. And then we have a second one. Now we're going to use this one first. And we go for this one. And this one. I'm going to turn it over. And using the same small flathead screwdriver, we're going to lift those tabs. And we're going to pull on the control. Then turn it over. And we're going to have to open this tab So it has to go over that white hook. And I'm going to turn it over, continue to the last clip here. And again, turn it over. And we've got this one to open. And this one to open. And then we can slide this out. A little tricky. This is the old control assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from appliancepartspros.com. So now we're going to install the new control assembly into the control panel. So this display window goes right in there, in that opening. I'm going to turn it this way, place it in, and then I'm going to turn it around, and we're going to see how it's installed from the back. We need to put all the tabs over that, the white goes over the black, right there. Press it in and down. Press it down. All the tabs has to lock. And turn around. And check these bottom tabs. They also should be clipped on. So now we're going to install the handle cup. It has 2 tabs on the back, and they will go into these 2 cutouts. I'm going to put it straight down. And push it down. The side clips should lock. Alright, and now we can install it onto the dishwasher. So we're going to start with connecting the plugs. And that the yellow goes in. This plug remains empty, so we're going to connect this one. Then this one. Now we're going to put the harness into the retainers here. We're going to insert this from the top in. Push down. And the side tabs are locked. After that, we can put this harness into the groove here. And we go to the opposite side, and we're going to connect this brown plug. Alright, at this point we're going to let it down so it will hang, and we're going to bring the outer door panel. Alright, I'm going to bring the outer door panel and lift the control panel out. And I'm going to install the outer door panel on the hinges, just on the top of it, just for the supporting. And then we hold the door with your leg, with your knee, and we're going to insert the control panel into the outer door. We need to install these tabs into the cutouts in the door and push it down. And bring the door in. And we're going to open the door. and supporting that outer door panel, and match the holes, and we're gonna secure it with the Torx 20 screws. So I'm gonna put one screw to hold the doors together, and a Torx 20 screwdriver, tighten it, and another one I guess would be better. We're gonna put the bottom one too, so we have this side secured. Move to the opposite side, and the one more at the bottom. Please note that these 3 screws on each side are the short screws. The top one here and the 4 on the top are longer screws. That's the last short screw on this side. And we're going to install the longer ones. And the last short screw goes on this side. And I can put the first long screw. And next 4 top screws. Do not over tighten them, they are going into the plastic. So we're going to close the door. So we're going to install the 3 sharp-ended screws from the bottom. We're going to use the Torx 20 screwdriver. And there's one there, right in there. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.